Hi guys, George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're at the little harbour of Liopetri, or the Potamus as they call it, and we're here with Costa, my friend, and he's put his traditional old fishing boat back into the water. He's painted it and sealed it and done all sorts of bits and pieces to it. So we've come down here today to see if we can get it started. Unfortunately the starter motor's gone on it, and we've picked up a car starter motor and we're hoping to adapt it and get the boat started. Now you can see these little huts and pontoons. Now these were built after they dismantled all the pontoons right down the end. These fishermen needed somewhere to work from and tie their boats up, so they took some of the old wood and bits and pieces from down the other end where they were originally and brought them up here until the new harbour is built right down the other end. So let's go on to the pontoon and see if we can get this boat fixed. So there's my friend's pontoon. He's got it all tied up, and we'll get some tools out and see what's going on. So there's the little pontoon, and he's got a bed here as well. Look, he's made this sort of shed thing. He's also got a barbecue. There we are. All sorts of stuff. So there's the boat. It looks like some other people are sharing the pontoon. There's not much room here. You can see that these two fishermen are sharing that pontoon over there. So guys, there's the old rusty engine, and the starter's just there ready, and we've taken out the starter motor mount. There it is, there's the mount. Now the new starter motor doesn't quite fit. We have to cut this here, and unfortunately there's no electric here at the moment. The restaurants are shut, but we'll cut that here. We'll take it back home, and then we'll see if we can remount the new starter. So we're going to head back to the workshop and pick up some battery power tools, as we've got no electric here. None of the restaurants seem to be open. That's where we're getting our power from at the moment, from this restaurant here. So what we've done, we've cut out the mount to accommodate the new starter motor. Right, let's go to the boat and see if we can line it all up. So guys, we've got the welder here. There's the welder. We've put the starter in its place, and Costa's going to give it a go. So the starter's working really well, guys. So let me show you the starter up close. And there's all the gubbins that we put on. We've welded everything on, and there's this is from a Volkswagen Golf, this starter.
And the engine is Yanmar.
And the engine,
Years old.
yes, that's right, the engine is a Yamaha.
Yanmar or Yamaha?
Oh guys, a Yanmar.
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 Yanmar DOS.
So if anyone knows, look,
Antique engine.
It is an antique. So the engine's 60 years old. It did start 3 months ago, and then the starter motor blew up. And now we've adapted the new starter motor. And we need to get it started. We put some oil into the pistons. Success! So we're just checking if the water pump's working, and then we'll show you around the rest of the boat. So guys, we've got success! Budget and leg it. So we cover everything up, and then one day we'll go out fishing. What a great success story, guys. Budget and leg it. We've got a Volkswagen Golf starter motor starting this very old fishing boat. We're just washing it down now. Let's see, well, that'd do it a lot of good, wouldn't it? Oh, I don't know. And then one day, guys, we're going to go out in it, go do a bit of fishing. There's all the nets at the front, and there's all the gubbins at the front to let the net out. There we are. It's just switching it off now. So, great success story, guys. Budget and leg it. We've put a Volkswagen Golf starter motor in the old fishing boat, and off it goes. And one day we'll come back and we'll go out past the Potamus. There's a Potamus down here on my left, and we'll go out fishing. There's all the fishing nets, and on the front of the boat you can see the wheel, and that's operated by hydraulics onto the old engine. And that engine, guys, is about 60 to 70 years old. Okay, right, so let's lock up and go. Okay guys, so we're leaving the boat behind. We won't go out in the boat today, and we'll show you the way out if you do want to come down here. You can see we're past the restaurant and the rest of the old shacks and boats. And as soon as they open the main road into the place, I'll let you guys know, and we'll come and do a video. At the moment, not a lot of work going on. I can't see any new pontoons put out. No, there's no pontoons, nothing on my right. We can see the pavements going up. We've got a bus stop, and we're going to do a left. You can see how bad the road is. Look, it's terrible. So now, oh, look, here comes the sheep. Look at that, loads of sheep coming through, and it's a bit smelly here. Now we have to go through this broken pipe where there's water everywhere, mud. Uh-oh. We'll carry on through, follow this car through the fields and this farm. You can see how rough and horrible this road is, and now we're running parallel to the highway. So let me take you towards the highway, and then we'll stop it there. So we're hoping that the Potamus or Liopetri harbour will be ready for next year. All the restaurants look like they've shut down for the winter. What have we got here? What's this? It's like another load of mud. Oh, was a pipe going across the road. It looks like it's broken in several places. And we have to wallow through the mud and the water. There we go. And the car is now full of mud. So there we are, guys, we're back in the workshop. All the tools are put away. Hope you enjoyed that little trip to the Potamus. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.